back to our channel, man. I'm Chris.
I'm Ray, man.
And today, man, we're going to be watching Kev on stage. Don't know who he is. He's a comedian. You know what I'm saying? Does a lot of skits and all that. Yada, 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 yada.
Funny.
Today, man, is going to be watching... What do you mean is? We
nigga.
going to be watching Ratchet Names Gone Wild.
We is, nigga.
You know what I'm saying? Living in the hood, living in the ghetto, honestly, we hear a lot of ratchet ass names growing up as kids. No funny shit.
Fucking yeah, Dashiki. That's what we
Jaquan, Rashid,
Woo!
Cavante,
Shalante, Mahante,
Martisha,
Luigi, Board, Haquishi, Lola.
Let's see our reactions.
What's up? It's your boy Kev on stage. I'm upset. We got to do better. The naming our kids thing has gotten out of control, okay?
Yeah.
I'm all for creativity, but we've got to stop with these ridiculous names. I'm surfing Instagram. I know I don't see nobody name their baby The Realist Clark. I know it. Here's a picture. The Realist Clark. The Realist Clark. You got to be kidding me. This baby got to go to school.
Clark.
Oh,
Isaiah
man.
present, James present, Jonathan present.
Yo, nah.
The Realist.
Nah.
He's not gonna say present because his name is The
Realist.
Realist. Like The Realist.
That's
That's a
crazy.
name you put on Xbox gamer tag. That's a YouTube screen name. That's a Twitter name. Yo, it's The Realist, baby. You
Big
know
facts.
me. You don't name your baby The Realist?
That's
Oh, no. It gets worse. Somebody named her baby Erica. Okay? I've seen Erica with an E. I've seen Erica with an A. I've seen Erica CKA. I've seen all those Erica. I ain't never seen this Erica.
Oh,
Erica.
Oh, no. Oh, little baby, you got to explain to somebody who spells your name E-R-I-C-A. No, my name is Erica. Like if you was gonna wreck us some air, that's me, Erica. You feel me? I just can't imagine that she's not ratchet. And that's the stereotype you're making me have. I don't want to have that stereotype, but you're making me have it. And the worst of all, I saw this one last night on Instagram. I can't even pronounce this name. Let's try. Taiwanikuya. Did you name your baby? How? There's no way you can teach that baby how to spell her name phonetically. She can't sound out like the way it's supposed to be able to sound out. There's no E aside, nothing. She's got every vowel in her name but O, and that's probably her middle
I'm just
name.
gonna call you Taiwan.
Oh. Ratchet. That's her name. Like,
crazy.
poor thing. I'm judging you because of what your mom did to you. I'm judging.
I'm judging what your mom did.
But I already have an imagination that you got
That's
to undo.
OD.
It's so unfortunate. Black people, we got to do better. We get mad at Gwyneth Paltrow and them for naming their baby Apple and Ryder and Chase and Pilot. But these are at least things people can recognize and pronounce. Can you imagine the teacher? Taiwan. This is interesting.
Yo.
Girl, you know your name's messed up. Just stand up. I'm sorry, Miss Anderson. I don't know what my mommy did to me. It's unfortunate, guys. And we've just got to stop as a people.
Word. That's just crazy. Just going to school, just calling your name. That's embarrassing.
That's why everybody started
If the teacher
nicknaming.
can't pronounce that, I'm like, yeah.
She's a pretty young thing. Pretty young thing.
But he bald now.
Yeah, I know that.
They
And he
can't-
gained a little weight. Got a little
Yeah, they
beard
can't
belly.
call him fat. Yo, all deaf. You got all deaf. Yeah, that's one.
Yeah,
of
all
their
deaf
channels.
digital.
All deaf digital. Yo, they be cutting ass. Who, the rose season?
Yeah, it's funny though.
Yeah, we got.
Link's gonna be in the description. Link's gonna be in the. Link's gonna be in the description down below.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Make sure you just got a ha. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel.
Hell yeah, subscribe, man.
Spam the likes, spam the
I said
comments.
subscribe. Subscribe, man.
Yeah, man. Road to
Like.
1K. Fuck all
Spam the
that.
comments, go crazy, hit the bell, share it. Know what I mean? If you guys like this video, man, show some love. Like you said, 1K. Road to 1 motherfucking K, man. Okay, man. Quarantine, help me, deuce.